Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this special video, which is like really lengthy, I am literally going to create a very difficult set of nails which seemed impossible when I looked at the design my client sent me. But I am really going to show you how I actually did it in this whole full video. All the products that I'm using, I've mentioned all the links in the description. Also, you can check out my Amazon storefront page where you can find out all the products that I'm using, anything. And also, most of the products are from Amazon, and also other gels are from Born Beauty and from Nail Reserve Gel Polish. For Nail Reserve Gel Polish, you can use my code Nutrix for literally 55% off, which is a huge thing. This is like a special code they have given me for only my audience, so you can do that. Okay, so let me tell you, like, this whole design was like literally so crazy. When I first saw it, it was like, you can see like there are like the flowers, and there are like the French art, and there are the gold work and the crystals and so many things. Also, the base gel, which is integrated in this whole set, has like different shades of it. So I literally felt like giving up on this design, but then I thought of doing it. And for the like just a basic thing, I have used this nail tips by Ilsa, and I also got these from Amazon. They are like the best nail tips of all time. I use BT Art box nail tips as well, but they are not really sturdy like these. They are literally so high quality, so you can just go on Amazon, you can try these out. Also, the brushes that I'm using and the holders, I got all of them from Walmart. So you can go on to Walmart, you can buy it. I have mentioned the links. If you can just like see on the screen for the products, you can literally check out the links that I've mentioned. They are all so good quality, also very less price. Like, they are not really expensive that like used to think of nail art products. You will see them in $100, $200, but they are like literally under $10 price category, which is a great thing. So keep watching and enjoy the whole process of my nail art press on nails. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then you know what to do, which is like subscribe to my channel so you can be updated whenever I will upload a new video. And thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.